Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create a zip file on your computer step by step. Zip files are super useful when you want to bundle multiple files or folders together, reduce file size, or send document more easily over email or online. Before we begin, let's understand what is a zip file. A zip file is basically a compressed version of your file or folders. It takes multiple items and wraps them into a single file, which is smaller and easier to manage. Think of it like packing different things in one small suitcase. Step 1. Go to the folder where the files you want to compress are located. Step 2. Select all the files or folders you want to include in your zip file. To select multiple files, hold down the Control key and click on each file. Step 3. Once you selected, right-click on the highlighted files. Step 4. From the right-click menu, hover over Send to and then click on Compressed or Zipped folder. Step 5. Windows will immediately create a new zip file in the same location. It will have the same name as one of the files. You can rename it to anything you like. And that's it, your zip file is ready. It contains all the files you selected and it's now compressed into a single smaller files that's easy to share. You can add more files later by dragging them into the zip file. To view files inside a zip, just double click on it. To extract or unzip the files, right click the zip file and select extract all. So now you know easily how to make a zip file and why it's so useful. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends and hit that subscribe button for more smart tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.